Jolly person. Okay.
Hot. Lahat-lahat na sa kanya na.
Weird. A friendly person.
Cool.
Totoong lalaki.
Kim Payatot.
The bubbly person.
You're one of the most romantic guys.
Cool.
Gangster with a soft heart.
Kuging.
Nugnog. Pero guwapo.
Ang masayahin.
Hot. Guwapo.
Epic.
Abnormal ko buo.
Baliw.
Pinakamakulit. Guapito. Friendly.
It's funny.
Smiley.
Sweet.
Kim, happy birthday to you. I'm pleased that you're turning 22 years old. We are so delighted to have you as friends, and we're so happy that you could be in the United States with us. Happy birthday and many, many more. BooLaklak.com.
Happy birthday, Kim Ian. Kahit di kita kilala. Wish you all the best in life. Yun, be a good boy always.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. Thank you for the gift of person that God has given to us in the form of you. Thank you, Gid. Kay nagkita iti diri sa US kag through that nakilala ta and the rest of the J1 group.
Kim, happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Sana yumaman ka pa. Sana marami pang bagong games na dumating sa'yo. Laruin mo na laruin. Hanggang masira ang ulo mo. Just kidding. Happy birthday. Happy beer day. Sana bumahan ang alak sa birthday mo, ha.
Hi Kim, happy 22nd birthday. Ano ko lang sa'yo sana umunlad pa yung career mo. Yung mga banding natin sa ASAP, yung mga production natin, sana galingan pa natin. Tapos sana dumami pa yung mga projects mo. Si Derek, wag kang maging pasaway kay Derek. Kasi alam mo, minsan nagagalit si Derek sa'yo Kasi pasaway ka kung minsan Basta yun lang, happy 22nd birthday and more blessings to come.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. It's your 22nd birthday, right? May God bless you and may you have a good health and good career in the future. Sana din magkaroon ka ng love life. Happy birthday.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. Ayun, magka-22 ka na pala. Wala akong masabi masyado kasi di naman tayo ganun ka-close. Basta yung pinag-usap natin, naalala mo ba? Gagawin ba natin yun? Joke lang. Yun, ingat ka palagi. Wow, thanks sa friendship.
Hi Kim, happy birthday! Birthday mo nagle. Birthday mo gali, wala kagawa ng bala. Birthday ko lang din sa mga. Birthday nila ka na. Happy birthday liwan. Gandi, birthday lang sa mga.
Happy 22nd birthday, Kim Ian. Message ko sa'yo, the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Always keep your foot on the ground. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ian. Wish you all the best and success in life.
Hi Ian! Happy birthday! May you have more birthdays to come and especially a good health. Always put God first in everything you do, okay?
Boards, Kim, happy birthday and wish you more blessings to come and sana you will be a successful man someday.
Hello Kim, happy birthday and wish you all the best and stay cute.
Kim, happy birthday. Pang 3 takes na niya. Kim, tani, kung ano maging ang plano mo, maging successful. Kapag gusto mo maging Air Force or whatever, go on. Tani, ang love life mo. Kabalo ka na sinamin ko. Happy birthday!
Hi Ayan! Happy 22nd birthday! Wish you all the best. Don't change. Kulit, sige lang, pakulit ka lang permi sa FB, kag sa J1 nga, page. Kag hindi ginagbaguhan. Wish you all the best, Ayan.
Hi Kim! Happy birthday! Yung the first birthday nga sa America. I pray lang din for good health for you and for your family. I hope that you will enjoy your last months here. See you in Bacolod Park. Happy birthday!
Hi Kim, happy birthday. Tumanda ka na naman ng isang taon. Yan.
wish ko sana hindi ka magbago. Stay as the same as you are. Tulad ng una nating pag-meet. Sana kahit magkakahiwalay na tayo lahat this coming July, sana hindi tayo makakalimutan. Kasi kayo may nanatili sa aking puso. Kayo aking mga kapatid. Sana, Kim, kung sana mararating mo, sana number 1 pa rin si God sa puso mo. Ayan, happy birthday, kapatid. I love you.
Hi, Kim! Happy birthday! Next. Si Kim ang nang tawong kalog-kalugid. Tapos, siya ang pinaka-the best mag-Harlem Shake. Tani, maging happy ka sa birthday mo diri sa US.
Hi, Kim! Happy birthday! I hope you be good in your birthday, okay? Celebrate and party hard. Wow.
Hi, Kim! Happy birthday! Into ba? Pero sige lang. I hope you're fine ba? Pwede na. God bless always and may your dreams and in life come true. Happy birthday.
Actress.
Kim, happy birthday.
Hi, Kim! Happy birthday!
Kim, happy 22nd birthday. Wish you happiness, good health, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Kim!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Kim! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. Uwi ka ba ng Pilipinas? Bye!
Happy birthday, Kim! I wish you all the best and enjoy your day.
Hi, Kim! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come and good luck sa chosen career mo. Happy birthday!
Kim, happy birthday! Enjoy mo yung mga adlaw sa buhay. Muna na. Tapos, happy birthday.
Hi, Ting! Happy birthday! Wish ko lang sana, pumuti ka na. Joke! Wish you all happiness and sana magka-love life ka na rin. Tsaka, Tagalog Tsaka, basta yun. Sana happy ka ngayon sa birthday mo. Tsaka, I love you, best friend.
I wanna wish you a happy birthday. I wanna help you celebrate. I wanna wish you lots of presents. I wanna help you eat your cake. If you party in the island way, you'll be jamming all night till the light of day. Your birthday is your day to shine. Another year and you'll be looking fine. So have no worries, don't you hesitate.